Sophia's passion for cooking. I'm a host, Sophia. Today I'm reviewing the Bagotte air fryer. I want to thank them to giving me an opportunity to review their product. First, let's start with the unboxing. Before I start, I just want to say a special thanks to you for your continuous support. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe and also hit the bell to see all my uploads immediately. Let's get started. Okay, let's unbox this wonderful Bagotte air fryer. Looks so sleek and shiny. The code is hidden away when it's not in use. I like this idea. The basket just pulls out. This button releases the basket. Just slide it forward and lift the basket up. This is the base tray and this is the frying basket. This is perfect size when cooking for 1 or 2 people. The non-stick material is so easy to clean and it's lightweight, so it's easy to handle too. You can see the heating element inside. This is the air outlet. On the top is a touchscreen control panel. It is illuminated when it's plugged in. Select from the menu what you want to cook. The temperature goes from 180 to 380 degree Fahrenheit and the timer can be set up to 60 minutes. You can use one of the 6 preset programs or choose a custom temperature and time. I'm going to use it to make a delicious chicken Parmesan dinner. Here I'm using thinly sliced chicken breasts. I've spread some salt and turmeric powder on them. You can see how thin it is so that it'll cook fast and also come out a little crispy. Okay, now let's prepare the coating for the chicken. Take a mixing bowl. Into that add 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, salt to taste. Today I'm using Himalayan pink salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Let all the ingredients get well incorporated. In the second mixing bowl, crack open an egg. Into that, add 1 tablespoon of water to make it a little thinner. Beat it and set it aside. Let's get the third bowl ready. In the third mixing bowl, add equal amount of breadcrumbs and Parmesan cheese. I'm using Italian style breadcrumbs. Mix them well and set it aside. Take each piece and coat with the flour and shake off any excess. Then a quick dip into the egg wash. And finally coat it with the breadcrumbs mixture and set it aside. Let's do the rest. If you want, you can prepare this ahead of time and leave it in the refrigerator. You can change the time and temperature at any time during the cooking process. I'm going to preheat for 5 minutes at 380 degree Fahrenheit. Press the start button. Preheating is done. Let's pull the basket out and put the chicken in. Just add a few drops of oil on both sides of the prepped chicken. I'm using extra virgin olive oil. Press some oil on the basket and place the chicken. I'm only cooking 2 at a time. Set the timer for 10 minutes and the temperature for 380 Fahrenheit, and then press start. Flip them halfway through cooking. Press pause if you want to look at the food, and press the start button to continue cooking. They are done perfectly. Looks so yummy. I'm going to cook the second batch. Just follow the same steps. Be careful and always hold the handle to get the food out because the surface is really hot. That's my only concern with the Bagotte air fryer. Otherwise, it's a fine product. Okay, let me taste a piece. Very tasty and juicy. This recipe is much better in the air fryer than pan frying. I used just 2 teaspoons of oil, but pan frying would have used 1/4 cup of oil. I'm serving it with spaghetti and sauce and garnish it with Parmesan cheese. Click the link if you want to see my classic pan-fried chicken Parmesan recipe. You're always welcome to leave your comments and suggestions, or if you want to share your recipes, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Check out my other videos. Bye-bye.